get to Kenneth Gross right now. He's a partner at Skadden Arps. He advises corporate clients on how to navigate Washington politics. And Ken, great to have you with us to shed some light on this, because I'm going to pose that same question to you. How effective has all of this healthcare lobbying money been, in your view?
Oh, I think it's been very effective. There have been armies of lawyers and lobbyists lobbying this bill, combined with thousands and thousands of dollars of political contributions to aid that lobbying effort. And so far, those that have been on the side of trying to stop this bill from passing have been quite effective.
But has it gone out of hand? Because I was looking through some of those who are part of this healthcare lobby. We're talking about organizations as disparate or as disparate as the National Rifle Association getting involved, the Golf Course Superintendents Association of America. I mean, is this getting out of hand or what?
You know, we have a constitutional right to lobby. Some of the groups are a little surprising that are entering the picture, but this is high stakes poker in Washington, D.C. There's billions, not millions, but billions, even $1 trillion in play. And anybody who thinks they have a piece of the action will be in there spending money.
Ken, you follow these kinds of issues closely here in Washington in the past. Give us some perspective, if you can, on how this effort is different from what you've seen in the past. Is this the single biggest lobbying campaign, lobbying effort you've ever seen?
It's up there. I haven't seen the total numbers yet, but I can't think of one that's been quite as massive. There are armies of lobbyists because there are so many working parts. You have the healthcare industry, which is made up of not only insurance companies, the pharmaceutical companies, the device companies, and then there are those on the other side of the pictures, and the doctors themselves have their own lobbyists, and their interests are all slightly different, and some diametrically different. So this probably does break the record.
Okay, Ken, we'll have to leave it there. But thanks so much for joining us and shedding some light again on the lobbying on the lobbying efforts here in Washington. That was Ken Gross of Skadden Arps.